Hello everyone, my name is Duan from Cornell University. I will be presenting our work entitled Bridging Fluency Disparity between Native and Non-Native Speakers in Multilingual Multiparty Collaboration using a clarification agent. Multi-party collaboration using common language has become common in the workplace, but using a common language can be challenging for non-native speakers due to rapid speed and unfamiliar terms. Native speakers typically ask clarification questions when they're confused, to ensure messages are grounded. However, research shows that non-native speakers are reluctant to request clarifications due to cognitive load and faith concerns. As a result, messages between native and non-native speakers may not be properly grounded, leading to confusions and poor team performance. As this illustrates, the native speaker said, "Historical objects were looted." The non-native speaker wondered, "What do they mean looted? Should I ask? Would I look dumb? Oh no, it's too late. They're on the next topic." Based on previous work, we propose a possible solution. Since people treat agents as human conversation partners, native speakers are likely to answer questions from a clarification agent. Then having the agent to do the asking on behalf of non-native speakers might reduce face threat and difficulties of formulating questions. We compare a high-level agent that asks native speakers to clarify when detecting a difficult word, such as looted, and a low-level agent that asked when detecting an easy word, such as really. We intended the high-level agent to not only help non-native speakers' understanding and to set the norm and demonstrate the value of asking questions, such that non-native speakers might model the question-asking behavior when needed. On the other hand, the low-level agent can also demonstrate to non-native speakers they're welcome to ask any questions, even dumb ones, and increase their feelings of communicative competence. We predicted that native speakers will make more clarifications with than without the agent. We ask with which type of agent will native speakers make more clarifications. And hypothesis 2, non-native speakers will report better understanding following native speakers making more clarifications. And we ask, with which type of agent will non-native speakers report better understanding? Hypothesis 3, non-native speakers will have but higher level of participation with than without the agent. And research question 3, in which condition will non-native speakers be motivated to request clarification? And hypothesis 4, non-native speakers will report higher self-evaluation with than without the agent. For a full list of hypotheses and research questions, please refer to our paper. We used a within-subjects experiment design where 17 triads of 2 native and 1 non-native speakers who perform a series of decision-making tasks where they were asked to decide the allocation of 1.8 billion UNESCO fund among 5 projects. They performed the tasks under 3 conditions: without agent, with high-level agent, and with low-level agent. We measured native speakers' clarification in number of words, non-native speakers' self-reported understanding, non-native speakers' participation in number of words, and non-native speakers' evaluation of their communicative competence. We conducted post-experiment semi-structured interviews to learn more about participants' experiences with agents. Our results showed that, as predicted, native speakers made significantly more clarifications with both types of agent than without agent, but there's no significant difference between the 2 types of agent. In this graph, the y-axis represents native speakers' clarification, and the x-axis represents 3 trials. Gray bars are for the control condition, blue bars are for the high-level agent, and red bars for the low-level agent. Hypothesis 2. Non-native speakers' moment-by-moment understanding was greatly improved immediately after the high-level agent's interruption, compared to low-level agent and no agent, suggesting that the high-level agent interrupted at times when non-native speakers needed. In this graph, the y-axis represents non-native speakers' understanding, and the x-axis represents before and after the agent's interruption, and when the agent would have interrupted for the control condition. So gray bars are for the control condition, blue bars for the high level, and red bars for the low level agent. And as predicted, non-native speakers' participation was significantly higher with the high level agent, followed by the low level agent, and the lowest in control. And non-native speakers evaluated their communication competence the highest with a low-level agent and the lowest in the control condition, suggesting that their self-evaluation was influenced by the agent's question-asking behaviors. Next, we select some reflections from interviews to look closely into how the presence and type of agent affected native and non-native speakers, respectively. The high-level agent helped native speakers realize the need to clarify. As this quote illustrates, I was going to say that we should repatriate the historical objects, but now I put send back because I thought that'd be better for the conversation flow. And the high-level agent helped non-native speakers to understand better. As this quote illustrates, it asked the words that I missed, like the word reverberating. I was hoping native speakers could give more information for me to figure that out. Then the agent caught that word. It felt like we were speaking from the same level. And the high-level agent encouraged non-native speakers to ask questions. For instance, one non-native speaker said, "The agent that helped me was the one that asked difficult words. Because of this, I tried asking a question one time. I tried asking about a word similar to how the agent asked, and it became a bit easy to ask." The agent also improved their feelings of communicative competence. As one non-native speaker said, "The words the low-level agent asked, I knew them already. It may be odd to compare myself with the agent, but I felt superior to the agent." And another one said, "I felt unconsciously that one more non-native speaker was there, and the high-level agent gave me a sense of security." We offer 3 directions for improving the agent. First, a crowdsourced clarification companion for native speakers, providing synonyms and alternative expressions for difficult vocabulary. And 2, aligning agents' clarification request and non-native speakers' need by allowing non-native speakers to manually control the agent. And 3, encouraging clarification request through setting a more appropriate model. To get a detailed reasoning behind these, please check out our paper. To conclude, communication using a common language is challenging for non-native speakers. Our study showed that an intelligent agent that asks clarification questions can help. Specifically, a high-level agent resembling an advanced non-native speaker asking about high-level vocabulary can help non-native speakers understand better, participate more, and encourage them to ask their own questions. And a low-level agent resembling a non-native speaker with poor English skills can increase non-native speakers' self-evaluation and can also help participate more. Thank you for listening.